Have you ever been in a situation and you suddenly realize with dread that it's up to you to deal with that annoying, disruptive person around you? This book is for you, Leaving the Unleadable. It's written just for those situations. It has a guidance in it for how to give the feedback that leads to a positive difference. It has guidance in it on how to actually design your own approach to prevent the problems from happening in the first place. It helps you deal with volunteer organizations where one troublesome person can cause mass exodus. It helps you in high technology organizations where it's like herding cats. It helps you in distributed remote teams where you actually don't actually get to see the person in the hallway. How do you get the radar for trouble? It has all of that and more. This is a book that unlocks the power of both the individuals that are troublesome, the talents and gifts they bring, but do it in a way that actually helps elevate the whole team. This book is your pathway to even leading the most powerfully difficult person to lead, yourself. I'm Alan Willett, and this is Leading the Unleadable. I hope you enjoy.